Good morning everybody. In previous video, construction of a quadrilaterals exercise 3.1, how to construct a quadrilateral, we learned that one. Now here, construction exercise 3.2, construct quadrilateral with the measurements given below. Here A, quadrilateral ABCD with AB equal to 4.5 centimeters, BC equal to 5.5 centimeters, CD equal to 4 centimeters, AD equal to 6 centimeters and AC equal to 7 centimeters. Here measurements are given. So now here 4 sides are given and one diagonal also here given. So we draw the quadrilateral. Now here total 5 measurements are given. Here 4 sides are given. AC, here AC is a diagonal. So here diagonal measurements are also given. First we draw the rough diagram. Here diagonal measurements are given. So we draw the one diagonal. Here AB, CD. AB equal to 4.5. BC equal to 5.5. CD equal to 4 centimeters. AD equal to 6 centimeters. AC equal to 7 centimeters. Now here we draw the diagram. Here first we draw the line segment on AB line segment 4.5 centimeters are given. So first we draw the line segment 4.5. Here 0, 4 after fifth line. After fifth line we draw the line segment 4.5. So here AB line segment 4.5. Now next we draw the BC line. Here BC 4.5 centimeters. Now we use the scale and rounder. Here 0, next 5.5. Here 5.5, exact 5.5 is there. So now here pointer, use here B, use the based on B, draw one arc. Now here again here diagonal AC is 7 centimeters. Now we take the use scale and here 7 centimeters. Here exact 7 centimeters is there. So now here based on B, draw another arc touches the previous line. So now this point is C. Add these two C, B. Add these 2 points C and B. Next add A and C. A and C is a diagonal. Now next here AD 6 centimeters, CD 4 centimeters. Now here AD 6 centimeters is there. Use the scale and rounder. Here pointer 6, 0. Exact. We measure here 6 centimeters. You observe here exact 6 centimeters is there. So now here based on A, draw a arc. Now here C to D 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Now here use scale and rounder. Here take on 4 centimeters. Here 4 centimeters. C to based on C, draw one arc touches the previous arc. Now this point is D. We write D. Join D and A. Join D and A points. Next D and C points. Now this is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now we write the measurements. Here first AC is 7 centimeters diagonal. BC is equal to 5.5 centimeters. CD 4 centimeters. AD 6 centimeters. These are the measurements. So now this diagram is completed. We write the construction steps. This one is the question A diagram. Next construction steps. B question. Quadrilateral PQRS with PQ equal 3.5 centimeters, QR equal 4 centimeters, RX equal 5 centimeters, PS equal 4.5 centimeters, and QS equal 6.5 centimeters. Here these four are the sides. Here QS is a diagonal. Here 4 sides and 1 diagonal measurements are given. So we draw the quadrilateral. First we draw the rough diagram. Now here PQRS. Here PQRS means here QS diagonal. Diagonal is this, like this. QS. Now join these 2 points. Here PQ equal to 3.5, QR 4 centimeters, RS 5 centimeters. Next here PS equal to 4.5 centimeters. Here QS equal to 6.5 centimeters. These are the measurements. Now here we draw the diagram. Here first PQ line segment. Here PQ line segment is 3.5 centimeters. Here 0, 3 after 5th line. Here 3 after 5th line. So draw the PQ line segment. Here PQ 3.5 centimeters is the measurements. Now here next here PS is 4.5 centimeters. Now we use the scale and rounder. Here 4.5. You observe carefully, here exact 4.5 centimeters is there. So now here based on P, draw one arc. Here first we draw the arc in long length. Now next here Q to S is 6.5 centimeters. So now here use scale and rounder. Here take on 6.5 centimeters. Here 6.5 centimeters. Here you observe carefully. Here 6.5 centimeters. Now here based on Q touches the previous arc. So touches the previous arc based on Q. Don't confuse. Here first based on P, next based on Q. So here based on Q we draw the another arc. Now this point is the here S. Now here we add S and P. We add these 2 points. Next here S and Q. This is the diagonal S and Q. Add these 2 points. Now again here QR. Here we mark the R point. Now here QR is 4 centimeters. Now here 4 centimeters. Now exact 4 centimeters is there. So now based on Q we draw the arc. Next R is 5 centimeters. So now take scale and rounder. Here exact 5 centimeters. Now based on S, draw the arc touches with previous arc. Now this intersecting point is R. Now add R and Q points. Add these 2 points. These 2 points length is here 4 centimeters. Now next here add these 2 points R and S. Here R S length is 5 centimeters. Now next diagonal SQ is 6.5 centimeters. Now SP is 4.5 centimeters. So this is the quadrilateral diagram. Now here PQRS quadrilateral diagram. This is the B question diagram. Next construction steps. These are the construction steps. Next C, parallelogram ABCD with AB equal to 6 centimeters, AD equal to 4.5 centimeters, PD equal to 7.5 centimeters. Now here parallelogram, any parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So use this point and draw the diagram. Here 2 sides, these 2 are sides BD. So BD is a diagonal. Here first we draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram A, B, C, D. Here AB is equal to 6 centimeters. AD equal to 4.5 centimeters. Next BD is a diagonal. BD, add these 2 points. Now BD is a diagonal, 7.5 centimeters are given. Here parallelogram, any parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides, here AB opposite side is DC, so this is also 6 centimeters. AD opposite side is BC, so this is 4.5 centimeters. Now here in a parallelogram, AB equal to CD equal to 6 centimeters. Now next AD equal to BC equal to 4.5 centimeters. These 2 sides are equal. Now draw the diagram. Here AB is the 6 centimeters. AB is 6 means here we draw the diagram 0 to 6. Here 6 is there. So join these 2 points. Now this is the AB. AB line segment 6 centimeters. Now next here AB is 4.5 centimeters. So here BD diagonal is given. So that's why first we draw the AD line. So AD line means here first AD 4.5. So pointer and scale here exact 4.5 centimeters are there. Point and pencil here 4.5 centimeters. Now here based on B, draw the line segment. So draw the line segment. Next here B is the B to D 7.5 centimeters. Next use the scale and rounder. Here 7.5 centimeters. Here pencil and pointer. Here exact 7.5 centimeters is there. 7.5 centimeters. Now based on B, draw the another arc touches with previous arc. That point is D. Now join these A and D. Next B and D. Join these 2 points also. Now here. Now again here BC is 4.5 centimeters. So we use the scale and rounder. Here pointer 4.5 and pencil is 0, touches with 0. So here 4.5 and rounder. Now we draw the arc based on B. We draw the arc based on B. Next here D to C 6 centimeters are given. So again we take the scale and rounder. Here distance 6 centimeters, 6 0. Here pointer on 6, pencil on 0. So here distance is 6 centimeters. Now here based on B, draw the arc touches with previous arc. Now this point is C. Add these 2 points C and B. Here add these 2 points. Next B and C. Add these 2 points. Now here we write the measurements. Here B C 4.5 centimeters. Diagonal 7.5 centimeters. Here DC 6 centimeters. AD 4.5 centimeters. Now these are our measurements. This is the parallelogram ABCD diagram. This is the C diagram. Now next steps, construction steps. These 5 are the construction steps of this diagram. Next D, rhombus NICE in NI equal to 4 centimeters. I equal to 5.6 centimeters. Here NIE, one side and one diagonal are given. So we draw the rhombus. Now here rhombus 4 sides are equal. So that's why here one side is given. So NI is equal to, here 4 sides, NI, IC, EC, EN are 4 sides. NI equal to IC equal to EC equal to NE. These are the 4 sides. That equal to 4 centimeters. Now IE is equal to 5.6 centimeters. Now draw the diagram. Here first we draw the rough diagram. Here one diagonal is given. So that's why here draw the diagonal. First NICE diagonal. So first NI is equal to 4 centimeters. 4 sides are equal. IE equal to 5.6. IE diagonal 5.6. Here 4 sides are equal 4 centimeters. Now first we draw the diagram NI. First we draw the line segment NI. Here NI is equal to 4 centimeters. Here 0, 4. Draw the line segment NI. Here name NI. 4 centimeters. Now this one first NI line segment. Now next here diagonal 5.6 is there. So here first use scale and rounder. 0 shows on pointer. Next 5.6. 5.6. Now here exact 5.6 is there. So now here diagonal is the 5.6. Now based on B, here B to E, draw a one arc. Now next rounder we take 4 centimeters. Round on 4 centimeters. Here exact 4 centimeters. Exact 4 centimeters. Now same distance. Here 4 sides are equal distance. So that's why we use the same distance. Here first touches the previous arc. Next again here based on I, draw the another arc. Next here this point to here draw the another arc. So now here 2 points are there. Here first is the C. Next one, this one is the E. Add these 2 points. E and N join these 2 points. Next C and I join these 2 points. Next E and C. E and C join these 2 points. Next diagonal, we draw the diagonal. Here I and E join these 2 points. Now this is the rhombus 4 centimeters and diagonal IE is equal to 5.6 centimeters. Here we write the measurements here 5.6 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Here NE 4 centimeters. Now this is the NICE rhombus diagram. D diagram, this one. Now these are the construction steps of D. Now this exercise is completed. This PDF link is add to description. If you are interested, copy it.